Whatever crime you investigate, you can always count on Cellebrite UFED to collect the digital data you need. And for your toughest iOS or Android access and collection challenges, you rely on Cellebrite Premium. But with the constant evolution of mobile technology and increasing amounts of devices to process, the pressure can quickly mount as you race against time. So how do you overcome data access challenges, gain operational efficiency, and prevent unnecessary backlogs? Introducing Cellebrite Premium ES, the agency-wide solution that extends exclusive premium capabilities to each of your UFED units, delivering unparalleled lawful access to iOS and Android devices, anytime, anywhere. This comprehensive solution allows you to easily manage your entire fleet of UFEDs from a central point of control. Let's see how this works. Your agency has several locations. Let's say you're in Lab A and you need to access and collect data from a new iPhone. You can connect the device to your UFED using the new Cellebrite Advanced Access Adapter. UFED will collect the data and send a request to the new Premium Enterprise Vault server. The EVS resides in your agency's internal network and authorizes the secure connection to transfer the relevant resource to the UFED and enable data collection. As Premium ES is scalable, you'll be able to connect all your current UFED units and then add more as you grow your fleet. That's it. With Premium ES deployed, you will reduce time to evidence, boost agency productivity, maintain the chain of evidence, and manage your entire UFED fleet. So say goodbye to your backlog of locked devices and perform data collection faster than ever before. Unleash the power of digital intelligence with Premium ES.